Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Hope you all are fine. Okay. So, children, today in drawing, we are going to do coloring in our drawing book. Here, as you can see, here some pages are there. So, today we are going to color these pages. So, now everybody open your book. So, children, see, this is our national flag. So, today we are going to color here. As you can see, here we have 3 boxes. So first we will do here this saffron color. Here I am going to do saffron color. So first we will do the outline here. First we will do the coloring in the borders. Here the borders are done. Now the next we will do coloring inside this box. Do it slowly and neatly. The color should not come out of the line. Here orange color is done. Now after this we'll go to the next box. Here it is white color. If you are having white color, so you can do, otherwise here I am leaving this box. As it is already in a white colored sheet, so here I am not doing white color. Now the next, here in the third box we will do green color. So here I am doing green color, and the same process will be done here. You also have to do this coloring like this. So here we are doing coloring inside this box, and my coloring is almost going to be over. Now here the coloring is done. After this, come to the Ashok Chakra. Here as you can see, here it is a Ashok Chakra. Here we are going to do blue color. In Ashok Chakra we will do blue color. Now after this, come to the next page. This is page number 28. Here a rocket is given, so we have to color it. Now as you can see, two stars are given. So first we will do color in this first star. Here I am going to do blue color. Now the next is this second one. In this star we will do yellow color. And here in the rocket already colors are done, but in between we are going to color, and here I am going to do orange color. First we will do coloring in the border. After this we will color it inside the rocket. So here our coloring is almost going to be done. This now next come to the next page. This is a parrot. So now we are going to color a parrot. So children, as you can see here some clouds are given. So first we will do coloring in clouds. Here we will do sky blue color. After this we will do coloring in the parrot. Here I am taking the parrot green color. Here we have done coloring in the parrot. Now next we will color the face. So here we are using green color, dark green color. We will use dark green color here. Now next comes to the tree. So here first we will color the tree. Here we will do brown color. Now at last we will take this green color and then we'll do coloring here. Here we will use two shades. First shade we will use this dark green color. Now after this, the second shade we will use yellow color. So here our parrot is done. Now here come to the next page. See, this is a kite. Here we are going to color in a kite and the first color is purple. So first we will do purple color here. Now after this the next color will be blue. So here we will do blue color. After this we will do red. Here we will do red color. Now the next we will use green color. Here we will do green color. And then here we will do brown. In both the portion we will do brown only. Now the last one is this circle. Here in the circle we will do yellow color. So here our kite is ready. So now come to the next page. This is a collage work. Here as you can see, this is a leaf here. Now here we will take a craft paper of green color. Here we will take a green colored craft paper. Now I'll tear it into small pieces. After tearing it, here first we will do the outline here with the help of black color. Here outline is done. Now next we will paste these papers here inside this leaf. So here I have a glue. We will paste these spaces with the help of glue. Here I have put the glue. Now I will paste it here. Again I'll take the piece and then paste it here inside the leaf. The same process will be done again and again. Now here also we will paste So here our collage work is almost done. Now again I am going to tear the paper so that I can complete this leaf. So here our collage work is done. So children, you also do this at your home. Okay? Thank you all. Sai Ram.